If you definitely want to lower your electricity bill of air conditioning which you are using in this very hot climate which is going on and which will be up to 1 or 2 or 2.5 months from today, that is 5th May 2026. So now another up to 2 months, 2.5 months. Listen to me and take before doing technical advice. Please take your local governing government agency, either it will be Gram Panchayat or it will be either Nagar Palika, it will be either municipality or greater municipality, whichever the body, take permission from them also. Take all the legal available data. Then just this is my advice, but you do according to the government rules. The thing is very clear. In an air conditioning place, if the area, the volumetric area of that place is cooled down to a particular set degrees of any scale, centigrade, Fahrenheit, any scale, whichever the scales are followed to measure the temperature, is reached, the compressor is cut off by the thermostat. This is very simple logic. Now, what happens? Your room is closed, you are sleeping, air conditioning was working, temperature came to the required set range of degree by us. Whatever it can be according to everybody, it is different. Somebody, ah, somebody keep 18 degrees centigrade, some keep 20, some keep 25. Either anything, whatever the person he feels, according to his body. Okay, now, this also the chapter is closed. Now, when the temperature comes, the thermostat asks the compressor that your duty is finished, you take rest now. Then the thermostat waits up to a set temperature difference. Means now your room temperature will definitely get to rise slowly. If you have set it 18, so the temperature will go 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now, if your thermostat temperature difference accordingly as it is set by the company which has manufactured this air condition, a domestic air conditioner, either split or window AC, or a central air conditioning system for a domestic building tower. Anything it can be. But now we are talking something very serious topic. It is how to save the electricity. My dear, as you all know, or if you don't know, it is very simple logic funda. Funda. Very simple funda. Hot climate means ambient temperature or atmospheric temperature or environment temperature. As you hear in radio, government news of climate, that today the temperature was minimum 32, maximum 48. What does this mean? Minimum 32, maximum 48. Now some news agencies say minimum 32 degrees centigrade. They have clarified, more clarification is given about the temperature minus 32 degrees centigrade and minus 40, not minus 32, it's just 32. I'm sorry. And maximum is 48 degrees centigrade. Now, our room temperature we have set 18 degrees centigrade. Outside temperature maximum we will touch now. We will keep for this our, when I'm trying to put in your don't get, I am not getting the proper word, which should not hurt you all when you listen to me, that stupid this guy, that a particular temperature is set at either it will be 18, 20 as per our requirement. When that temperature and the maximum temperature we take up to date, suppose 48 degrees centigrade or yesterday. Now, yesterday, whenever our AC reached to 18 degrees centigrade, our compressor was asked by the thermostat to please take rest. Up to our design, temperature difference is 10 degrees centigrade. When the 10 degrees temperature will increase in this confined CONFINED space, then and then only you have to again start working. Okay, thank you, compressor says to the thermostat and takes rest. Believe me, believe me, very important. This is the most very important point which I am going to say now. I have earned today 500 rupees. I don't have any expenditure today. So tomorrow morning when I wake up, how much will be my money? Same 500 rupees, because I not spent any single penny out of that, because I was not needed anything. Now this is just to make you understand all, maybe more better way also I will try to put understand to you all, that what happens 500 I earned yesterday, no expenditure I was having. So morning when I get up the next day, in my pocket 500 was as it is 500. Here is the magic funda. एयर कंडीशनिंग, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल रिड्यूस करना है. We have to reduce the electricity bill. What it will come nowadays, it's coming all over the world. We have to do something now. So straightway insulate that place, that area complete. Very good air insulation of your confined space. Now what will happen once that if your room is insulated by a very good branded technical company, insulating company, they come, they check everything and they do the insulation. Now outside temperature is 48 degrees centigrade. Your temperature is 18 degrees centigrade. Your compressor is asked by the thermostat to take rest now, means put off, don't work, or in simple way through relay the electric supply to the compressor is put off. Now the compressor is not working. The temperature in the room is 18 degrees centigrade. Now your walls, outside walls, your room outside surface of the wall or is directly or indirectly coming in contact with that outside temperature maximum 48. So your outside walls will be somewhere between 40, 42, 44 degrees centigrade because continuously it is getting heated because of the outside temperature. Now your 9-inch wall with plaster and all take 10-inch inside outside plaster. Then your distemper color. This 10 or 11-inch wall, one side is getting 48 degrees and this is brick BRIC brick, either made from mud or made nowadays this cement bricks. Anyway, both are in scientific term, if I say, are very capable of transferring heat from low side to high side. Now your one side surface of the wall is having 18 degrees centigrade temperature. Other side is having 48 degrees centigrade temperature. So the from the low side the heat will be transferred to the high side, transfer of the temperature. Not I can say exactly transfer of the temperature. The heat will get the cool area will absorb very fast quickly the heat which is available in the bricks, because bricks they are completely getting from outside surface of the brick of your room 48 degrees. So this temperature difference is 48 minus 18, 30 degrees centigrade. Now this third, because of this temperature difference, very fast flow of heat from outside to inside. So your room temperature, as your compressor is now stopped working, is taking rest. No cooling process inside your room through the air condition. Now your air conditioned space will very fast increase the temperature. It will get warmer because you don't have insulation. You have not insulated your walls, inner walls, or outside, any one side, because you have to now break, you have to put a break of this outside and inside temperature difference. Let outside be 48, but that 48, even a single degree should not enter inside your room. That heat should not come inside your room. So when you will get insulated, complete your room, what will happen? Believe me, then again you ask your technical experts, very qualified people who are running this business, they will give you that advice also, that once the temperature is, as see, I have told before, 500 rupees was earned. For example, I have told. So now you have earned 18 degrees centigrade temperature earned. Like now you want this 18 to be 18 up to next day, right? So now if I don't have any expenditure up to the morning, so morning my 500 rupees will be 500 rupees. Same funda is here also in your room. Once insulation is done, already your body is got cooled, so no heating source now. So your 18 temperature will be maintained. Now that how much hours it will be maintained, what is the rule, everything that technical knowledge, technical experts, at least up to a high level educated people of that subject can give you the understanding. But what the basic knowledge I have is, once your room is come 18 degrees centigrade and you have insulated all the walls, even the ceiling and floor, note, not the four side walls, front, back, right side, left side. These are the four surfaces of the room, and two remaining floor area and ceiling. That is also supposed to be insulated. Now, what will happen, once you reach 18, this 18 temperature will be maintained up to, I think, whatever the knowledge I have, maybe it is sometimes if somebody expert will read my this video, and this particular information which I am giving is up to hours, I can say. Now that I don't know. 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. But as I have said, 500 rupees in my pocket, I earned. I came in the evening. I don't had any expenditure that day up to morning. So my 500 will be 500. Same I think will apply to your air conditioned room. Your compressor will sleep continuously because no load, no relay is asking giving power supply to the compressor, because thermostat is not giving power supply to the relay. This is the simple funda of air conditioning. Now you can comment and put your views, VIEWS, in my comment section. Thank you.